Hello and welcome to another one of these ADD videos. Today we're going to be looking at the concept of the washer method. What is the washer method? Well, the washer method is kind of like the disk method, but our region that we're trying to find the volume of once we rotate a 2D object to make the 3D object is going to have a hole in the center. So if you were to take cross-sectional slices, then you would have a hole in the middle of whatever region. Whereas disk method, you wouldn't have a hole in the middle. Okay? Again, this will become more apparent once we do some examples. I'm just trying to get you introduced to where you don't get shivers up your spine every time you hear the words washer method. All right, so what is going on with the washer method? There is going to be a big hole created by inner function curving up in the example I'm about to show you here. Sometimes it can also be created by the axis of rotation not coinciding with the inner function. What does that look like? Let's check it out. So we're going to have a 2D pair of functions, y equals x again, but now we're going to look at the positive half of the y equals x squared parabola. You can see there's a little shape right there that has an area two-dimensionally. Okay, so if we were to rotate that about the x-axis, we would see that we actually have a big gap in the middle. You can see that there's a big hole right here formed by the curve. So in this case, because there's a hole, you can't take disks out. There are going to be holes in your disks. That's why it's called the washer method. It looks like a washer when you slice it up. The formula for this one, for the volume of this three-dimensional object that's created, this cone-looking object that's got a hole in the middle, if you will, a funnel-shaped hole. That's going to be given by pi times the integral from alpha to beta of t of x squared minus little t of x squared, where big T is the top or right function two-dimensionally. So in this case, it would be y equals x. And then the little t of x is the inner function, so that would be x squared. All right? You'll get the hang of this if you practice enough, as always. The key to learning any of this material is to just be humble and practice, practice, practice. When you get tired of practicing, practice some more. And then you'll see it's not as bad as you thought. Most of it was all in your head. Check out the example videos for further clarification. You can pause the video, try the problem, and then check the solution. If you get it right, cool, move on. But if not, go check my work and compare your work and see where you went astray. All right, thanks for watching. Have a great day.